Sometimes life feels heavier than you expected. You wake up with questions, you go to sleep with prayers, and in between you wonder if God truly hears you. But even in moments when you feel unseen, God is closer than you realize. He is not distant from your struggle, He is present in it. God knows the battles you don't talk about. He sees the strength it takes for you to keep going when you feel tired inside. Every tear you've held back, every prayer whispered in silence, every moment you chose faith instead of fear, none of it has been wasted. You may feel like progress is slow, but God's work is deep. While you focus on what hasn't changed, God is strengthening your heart, reshaping your mindset, and preparing you for what's ahead. Growth doesn't always feel good, but it always has a purpose. There are seasons when God allows waiting, not to punish you, but to protect you. If He gave you everything you wanted too soon, it could overwhelm you. So He teaches you patience, He builds endurance, He develops trust within you. Do not underestimate the power of small steps. Every time you choose hope over doubt, prayer over worry, and faith over fear, you are moving forward, even if it doesn't feel dramatic. God honors consistency more than speed. Remember this, your current situation is not your final destination. God is able to turn setbacks into setups, pain into purpose, and trials into testimony. What feels like a delay is often divine timing. Stay faithful in the process. Keep trusting even when you don't understand. God is working in ways you cannot yet see. And when the right moment arrives, you will realize that everything you went through was preparing you for everything you prayed for. Message 2. There are moments in life when you feel alone, even when surrounded by people. Moments when motivation fades and your faith feels quiet. But silence does not mean absence. God often works most powerfully when He is quiet. God is not asking you to be perfect. He is asking you to be willing to trust Him when answers don't come quickly, willing to keep moving forward when the road feels uncertain, willing to believe that He still has a plan for you. Every challenge you face is shaping you. Every obstacle is strengthening you. You may not see it now, but one day you will look back and understand why things unfolded the way they did. God never wastes pain. When fear tries to take control, remember who God is. He is your protector. He is your provider. He is your source of peace when the world feels chaotic. You don't have to carry everything alone. God invites you to release your worries into His hands. Stop measuring your life by comparison. Your journey is unique. God's timing for you is intentional. What He has planned will come at the right moment, not too early, not too late. If today feels heavy, take a deep breath and remind yourself that God is still in control. You are stronger than you think because God is with you. You are not behind. You are being prepared. Hold on to faith even when emotions fluctuate. Faith is not about feeling strong all the time. It's about trusting God even when you feel weak. And it's in those moments that God's strength shines through you. Keep going. Keep believing. Keep praying. God is not finished with you yet, and what's coming will be worth everything you've endured. Amen. Subscribe for more videos.